Well, I am Andrea and welcome to Andrea the Official. If it's your first time here, please I would like you to subscribe to my channel. And today's video is going to be mostly about drugstore makeup that we can buy, and there's a lot of sale going on in Nykaa and Amazon, so I recommend you buy the products that you like when they're discounted, because otherwise it gets a little too pricey, especially when you're new to makeup and you don't know what really works for you. So the items I would be showing today would be from a price range from 80 rupees right up until like 400 rupees. So yeah, I mean, they are priced on a little higher side, but during this time you can actually get it on a very good cracking deal. So to begin with, today the makeup I've done is using all the products that I'm going to show you. So let's start with the first thing. I have definitely prepped my skin, so I have used a serum as well as a moisturizer, after which I went in with the Take a Glow Illuminating Primer, and this is by Mars. It's a really nice primer for the beginners, and I got this approximately for rupees 80. So I used that as my something to prime my face with, after which I went in with a concealer. Now I bought this LA Girl Pro Concealer, and it's a shade yellow. I used it to conceal this areas of mine, the issues wherever I have a little bit of a darkening, and it really works well. It's a shade yellow, so I would recommend this one. The next thing I used after I finished putting on my concealer was the Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation, and this is from Maybelline. I am a shade 320, that's a tan. And what I do is I take a little bit of the product. A little goes a long way, because this comes in the pump, right? So you can just press and use the product that you need. And I just dot my face, and I go in with I normally use a beauty blender because I find it easier. And always make sure your beauty blender is damp. You can use any beauty blender, but you would get a good one in sale for about $1.99. I guess there's a one called from Mars, or I don't know, Blue Heaven has one too, so you could definitely look into those. By the way, this primer, one of the reasons I do like the Mars primer is because it comes with this it has a pump, you know, so it's easier, and that way you don't waste any product. I love these pumps. The other thing I used next after I finished putting my foundation was the Lakme Sun Expert SPF PA+++ 40, and I use this as a setting powder, right? I'm sure you have setting powders, you can use them. I definitely had setting powders, but I got this in about 175 rupees, so I use it whenever I get a chance. I'm not mostly a compact person, so I just use this to set my base. So I'd recommend this one for you if you're just beginning. An SPF is good to use as well. Yes, I forgot that step. So after you definitely use a serum, a moisturizer, please do not forget to use an SPF. I know the products contain SPF, but it's highly recommended that you use an SPF, okay? It's really, your skin will thank you. And the other thing that I used after I set my foundation with the powder was I got up with a primer here into my eyes, and I used the same LA Girl concealer to conceal my eyes so it gets a little brighter. And I used the Nicka K New York birthday eyeshadow palette, and it's got a lot of shades here. As you can see, this is a fun shade to use. Unfortunately, it doesn't come with a mirror. I paid about $2.96 for this. You might get it for a little cheaper or a little on a pricier side depending on the current sale we have. But it's actually priced at 700 rupees, and it's quite pigmented. If you want to check this is my swatch right here. So I like the shades. They're very pigmented, as you can see, and it's really lovely. I would recommend this if you're fairly new to makeup. The other thing I would recommend, what I did was I went in with, oh, by the way, the shades that I used for this makeup was these two shades, the yellow here and the blue here, but I also did use a little bit of the shimmering blue or aqua. So those are the three shades I actually worked with. Yeah, and I found it very easy to work with. It wasn't really difficult to blend. So if you're looking for something easy to carry in your bag, in your pocket, travel size, I would recommend that. I also use the Mars Eye Pencil Kajal. So I just line my waterline as well as the overline as well. I just make sure I line my eyes are really genuinely small, like the hooded eyes, so I normally do not prefer to use an eyeliner, but for today's makeup I actually wanted to use a winged eyeliner, so I used the Lakme water mascara. This is a water resistant, so I mean you could definitely try it, and it comes very cheap for like maybe 120, 110, maximum 130 rupees. I remember during my college days this was just 60 rupees. 60 rupees was a lot by then. Well, I also went ahead and used a mascara. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you've seen a video of me jabbing my eyes with the mascara. Well, this is a different one. I used a Hypergirl Maybelline mascara, and this retails for approximately I believe like 336 rupees, or maybe cheaper depending on what you get in sale, because the retail price is around 550 or 650. So guys, I think I told you all this product retails for about I got this for approximately 400. No, I just got it for like 299 rupees, and yeah, I'm super happy. So please look into the sales going on and look for a good deal. I normally don't buy the product right away. I will check 2-3 websites, see whatever I'm getting for a better deal. That's when I go ahead and purchase it. By the way, those of you looking to buy K by Katrina, the Kajal by Katrina, I would recommend this is a good dupe. Actually, it's even better than a dupe. I'll show you why I say this. If you've not watched my previous video before, just watch this and you will see how dark this is. And yeah, I will link the video from a Mars haul, like a mini haul that I did, so you can definitely have a look see. And that's one of the reasons I'm saying I got this for approximately 80 rupees. So did I get the other product, because you get a lot for please watch my video so you know what I'm talking about. Let's not get there. The other thing I do like is those of you who have a big eye palette, and when you're traveling you don't really want something that heavy, I recommend this one because it's easier to carry. The other thing I would recommend for a sunscreen is this particular Lakme sunscreen. It's a CC complexion cream, and it's really good to ensure that you at least have this much of a sunscreen on. It's got an SPF 30. Normally I would wear anything above 40 to 50 to 55 SPF because my skin burns really quickly. I have sensitive skin, so if you can see, I do have marks and scarring. So if you're anything like my skin, you shouldn't not be wearing you should be wearing a sunscreen to protect your skin. On that note, please once again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you like my video, please hit on the bell notification so you can watch my next video as soon as it arrives, as well as please leave your comment down below as to what did you like about the video, and if there's anything that you would like me to add or anything you would want me to do pertaining to makeup or beauty. At the same time, please do share and subscribe to my channel because that would mean a lot to me. And thank you for being a part of the Ann Reddy family. Please do follow me on my Instagram handle, which is Ann Reddy Official. Thank you so much.
Spend a day looking blank.